What's that? Oh, gee. Sounds like Stinky the plant. What's wrong, Stinky? Do you need water?
Of course I need water. All plants need water to help them grow. Why, all living things need water.
Right you are. I'll go get you some water.
But I don't need water right now.
Then why were you yelling help?
'Cause I need help reading this sign.
Oh, I've seen that sign before.
Well, I don't want to be a bother, but what does it say?
What do you think it says, Stinky?
ABCDEFGHI is the most remarkable word I've ever seen. ABCDEFGHI.
I think I know exactly what you mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see.
Yeah, but somewhere in the middle, it gets awfully clear to me. If I ever find out just what this word can mean,
You'll be the smartest plant the world has ever seen.
oh yeah, I would. Oh. Is it a kind of elephant?
No.
A funny kind of kazoo?
It's not an exotic turtle you'll ever see in a zoo.
Maybe it's a kind of doggy, or a particular shade of blue. Or how about a pretty flower?
No, not with a name like that. ABCDEFGHI is the most remarkable word we've ever seen. ABCDEFGHI. I wish we knew exactly what we mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see. But somewhere in the middle, it gets awfully clear to me. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest plant the world has ever seen.
Yeah? Oh. So tell me, Big Bird, what does this word mean? I just can't figure it out.
Oh, don't feel bad, Stinky. I had the same problem once, and then I found out it's not a word. That is the alphabet.
It is?
Mhm.
Oh, yes, it is. Look at that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Huh, look at that. I feel so silly. I hope I wasn't too much of a burden.
You weren't, Stinky. So, bye-bye.
Thanks for helping me with my problem.
You're welcome.
Ah.
Oh.